For today's video, I'm going to be checking the USB-C port on this Nintendo Switch board. I've already taken values earlier, but the camera did not work correctly, so now I'm just redoing the video for you guys. What I got going on with this Nintendo Switch board is, let's set up the meter. I'm on continuity mode, and cat's getting my feet. Anyway, in order to check the USB port, we're going to need to use a breakout board, and I've got 3 different ones here that I found online. This one's a USB-B connector style. This one's for like a iPhone lightning port. We're going to be using the USB-C, this one. So basically we just plug it in. There's an A side and a B side. We're going to start on the A side. I won't do the B side because it's the same as the A side. So if we just do A side, that'll be good enough for you guys to see the values and how to check it. All right, let's get the meter ready. We're going to set the dial over here to the ohms. And the diode symbol, which is like a triangle with a line next to it, and it has like a speaker symbol for the continuity beep. On this meter I have to use a mode button to change between them. So there's diode mode, you can see the diode symbol, and here's continuity mode with the little speaker. If you didn't know, in continuity mode, whenever you touch your probes together, you will hear a beep if there's a connection. So that's how you can tell if things are connected on a circuit. But most of you know this, I'm sure. There's a capacitor check on this as well. We're going to be using the diode check. So we're set up on the meter now. I'm going to turn on the light. Hopefully it'll stay on, I don't know. Anyway, A1 and A12 and B1 and B12 are ground on the breakout board. So we are going to put the red probe of the meter on either A1 or A12. We're just going to put it on ground. And then we're going to go to all the other pins. So I'll do each pin from, we're going to leave out A1 because it's ground. So here's A2, open line, A3, open line, A4, 0.504, A5, 0.724, A6, 0.766 or 768, A7, 0.762, A8, 0.492, A9, 0.504, A10, open line, A11, open line. All right, so those are the measurements I get on this, and these I've written down measurements from a known good system here on the A side and the B side, and then these are the values that I measured, and they are very close, so the port checks out.